light shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They got a little food spot over there. Gambling. We in Vegas right now.
We in Vegas with
Yeah.
Hey, just so right.
That's the V-Long shirt.
Hey, turn
your back to the world.
I'll show the back later.
You talking about
we chilling.
You got on, bro?
Man, this is some light, man. Come on, man.
Okay.
Light,
yeah.
That's the price on it.
Yeah. I got the ones on. Yeah, yes sir.
That's us walking.
That was the first day though.
Man, listen. The first day was straight, man. We couldn't really figure out what we wanted to do, man. We were just riding through the city. We was bullshitting, man.
Almost got stuck in the elevator.
Almost got stuck in the fucking elevator. Shit was
we almost lost our life. First night in Vegas.
For real though, but today we back at it though.
What we eat at yesterday?
I don't know.
Man, hey, listen, Shaq. Man, that shit nasty, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man.
I wanna fuck with it.
Shaq restaurant was nasty.
Hey, Canes?
Some shit right here.
Shout out.
Raising Canes go crazy.
That shit go crazy.
Shit right here. Man, I got the sauces.
I don't know if we can zip line.
I'm gonna do that shit.
Okay, we can.
You want the full body? Yeah, get a full body. Bro, what's tonight, bro? Man, listen, we finna get on the copter tonight. We probably gonna, what's that shit called? The zip line and shit. We probably gonna do that, man. Good little visuals. Good views, good views.
We're gonna be able to look back on this vlog though. That's what's gonna be the best part though.
No,
no. Memories though.
No, they ain't feeling. Look, get down there, man. Get down there.
No. All the people out here just enjoying themselves.
Hey, I'll turn around now.
Yeah, it's gonna be in the vlog. Yeah. Drippy. And what happened, bro? What you just do? You just graduated from school?
Man, just graduated college, man.
From what college, boy?
Grand Valley, man. I'm an alumni. Y'all can't fuck with me. The prices went up. We celebrated.
Come on, man.
Elevating. Come on, man.
Look at this city. They look good out there.
When a snake? You want it? Only 20 bucks, all right? You want it? It's a python. Your right or your left? Your right, okay, if you hold your right hand out like this. Now, voodoo is oftentimes misunderstood. It's not actually devil worshipping and stuff. It's nothing to be afraid of. But I'm gonna follow the understanding anyway. Typically with voodoo, whatever you do to one person happens to the other. Yeah. So whatever I do to you is gonna happen to him. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cut you. I'm gonna put extra heavy. Show everybody the X.
You got an X on your hand.
Fucking up with my hand, huh?
There's an X here. A real magician. Okay.
Damn! Dummy! Hella sweaty, no, but damn! Hey! nah, he tricked me.
What does this look like? Does it look like a whole day of walking the strip? You in the bed?
Niggas in the bed.
Walking that strip, wore your ass out, didn't you?
I ain't doing that shit.
Hey, y'all come to Vegas after y'all walk that motherfucking strip.
I'm tired as hell. I like wearing some walking shoes.
Y'all like wearing some motherfucking walking shoes. Hey, then they keep giving us stuff like this.
They done having us 1,000 cars down there.
Come on, we don't want no parts of this right here.
There's some hustlers down there, bro.
Girl done got me for $20 a picture.
I'm done with it.
What they do? 2 girls came up to you.
Yeah, 2 girls came up to me trying to,
They was dressed up as cops.
they was dressed up as cops though.
Asked did he want a picture.
I ain't want no picture.
But I ain't look. I only took the picture because my girl said it was cool to take the picture because it's part of Vegas, so I was cool with it. But I didn't know you had to pay them though.
They took the picture with him.
Took the picture with him.
Took the picture with him.
And then after that, they saying get him a little tip. I tilted my wallet up and shit.
Hey, Dave.
I tilted my shit up though, right? Then, motherfucker, I gave him $20.
Cause you want to try to let them see what was in your wallet.
I already peeped you, bro. I peeped you.
Hey, try not to let them see what's in your wallet.
Hell no, I gave the girl 20, right? I get a girl 20. She talking about some. She don't get 20. No, y'all split it 10 and 10. I'm about this bitch now.
You're not about to get $40 for no phone picture.
No, you're not getting none of it. And then y'all taking pictures with me, bro. Y'all taking pictures with me. Y'all should be paying me for y'all picture.
Y'all came up to me. Oh my God.
I'm talking about so hot, bro. Even when you in the buildings and shit, you still fucked up from being outside.
You get a bite. Yeah,
I'm talking about I want to come here. I need it. I'm coming to get that.
Oh yeah, I got some.
Chipotle, you know.
Let me see.
Oh man.
Yeah, that look good. I ain't never had Chipotle though. That's crazy.
Shit, you eat chicken, it's chicken, rice.
Don't give me my goddamn drawers, Kadeem.
I ain't never. You said what?
Don't give me my goddamn
I ain't never had Chipotle.
drawers. Cut that out the video.
Chicken.
Bitch just did so many times.
Barely.
Look at you go.
Tavon's sick right now. He don't got one.
Yeah. Y'all supposed to come with me.
Hey, I was supposed to come get some of that shit. I'm jealous. We gotta go to motherfucking Canes right now. So I'm hungry as hell.
No, for real.
Then the thing is, we gotta drive to Canes though, bro.
Man, that's why I ain't
That's
go.
the fucked
That's
up
why I ain't
part.
wanna wait, bro. I'm too lazy. Y'all needed that shit done. I ain't feel like driving through that traffic.
You don't wanna go drive to get Canes tomorrow?
I'm okay tonight.
Oh, baby say you okay.
You can go drive to get that shit tomorrow.
Hey, they charging for the water.
Charging motherfucking.
Should I pay $5?
I'm paying $5 for some water, dude.
I'm thirsty.
Hey, when I pay $5 for some water, that bitch gotta last 2 days, bro. On the set. You just finished that bitch today, didn't you?
Damn, man.
Yeah, you got your $5 worth.
This copter finna be lit though, man. Ooh.
Yeah, that's what we finna do. We finna get on the helicopter tonight.
Hey, this copter finna be so lit. Damn, they got me for $20 on the strip. Man, fuck.
No, you feel like that was an easy $20 that you just gave up.
Why the fuck I give it? Why y'all let me give them motherfucking $20? Hey, y'all should have said, bro, just keep walking, bro. They got the nerve to ask me for another 20, bro. Get for a little picture. Hey, Fred. I'm straight. straight on
Hey,
that. They came up like they, you feel me? Out there hustling, motherfuckers.
Hey, they peer pressuring you though out there.
Peer pressuring me and shit. I ain't even want to do it, bro. I ain't know what happened to me. I ain't know what was happening.
Then they cuffing you, so they make you really taking a picture.
Bro, the girl came up and cuffed me so quick.
Before you can even say yeah.
I'm talking about they instantly had their hand up. Talking about you gonna give us a little tip. Man, if I ain't gonna lie, I was really looking for some dollars in that bitch. I ain't giving no motherfucking $20.
Hey.
They out there hustling. That's how they make their money out there, man. Food was mashing the shit, bro. Mashing his food up, bro. I never ever seen anything.
What you mean mashing his food up?
Bro, he just was mashing this shit, putting it in his head and just mashing it, bro. A big ass
eating it though, like the fuck.
I'm talking about the quesadilla was big as hell. You wasting that shit.
Don't you crash?
Gotta show them.
Yeah.
You feel me, man? LA hat, you know. RP, bro. Y'all already know.
Got Fredo stitched on that.
Got to. I got a little cap brush at the crib.
Oh, that boy's clean.
Hey man, so we just came from the helicopter flight. It was dope. Gotta create memories, man. Especially with the people you mess with, the people you love, for sure. I grab some pictures. What you got on, Brody?
Oh man, that's light.
Ooh. Ooh.
Real man.
Yeah. What you got on there?
Off-white joints, you feel me? I'm cool, though.
Travis Scott foes.
Got the V-Long. What think about the helicopter?
That shit scary fun. I ain't gonna lie.
Is this a scary fun feeling?
Scary fun feeling. But it's pissy though.
You gotta get fully on the phone.
Man, Vegas, man. I do want to thank everybody though for supporting the channel, man, supporting me. I be getting so much love, so I appreciate it.
So much love.
So much love, bro.
Appreciate it.
Legends never die.
Off top.
Be long. No gas station we at.
Niggas do need some extra legs.
You gotta bring a pair of extra legs if you coming to Vegas. You're gonna be walking, for real. Yeah. I ain't doing too much.
What you got on?
I love black, bro. You know, I put on all black quick.
And they got boys to live.
Oh, for real?
Come on, man. Yeah. That's crispy.
You feel me?
Yeah, okay.
You know, some little patch, little underbrim.
My boy done came down here. Put his girl name on the back of the hat, bro. He did it. I ain't never seen it done. And it got the pink. And he got the pink under that mug, too.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Get the World Series patch up on
Yeah,
there.
it's a World Series, too. Let's get that.
New York, man. Come on.
Oh, yeah, she gonna be happy when she get back to the crib. Good Mother's Day present. Everybody down here in Vegas are some hustlers, bro. Out on the strip, they trying to sell you something down here. Yeah, where y'all from, man?
Maryland,
South Carolina. South Carolina. How long y'all been down here visiting?
Yeah, we just been down here since Friday.
Oh yeah, y'all like it down here?
Yeah, it's pretty good. What you got, YouTube channel?
Yeah, I shoot music videos, everything. I do all that. I'm gonna do y'all a little business card so y'all can see all that.
Yeah. We y'all from down here?
No, we from Michigan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's all my stuff on there.
Alright, bro.
Y'all be on the channel. See, I done went and got my hat. They tried to leave me out, man. I couldn't get left out.
Yeah. He's got you, dog. Got you.
I ain't trying to go eat no more.
Got you. I'm taking this from now on. We out here.
Gang.
We out here.
Come on, man. Come on.
I'm the cameraman from now. Shots by Dave, SBD.
I'm straight.
Vegas been good to us. I mean, they don't hold us shit. They don't hold us shit. We good.
Hey, it's a Vegas drain everything up out.
Vegas drain everything up out your motherfucking ass.
You talking about when I said
when you got recharged.
Hey, for real, I got up out that bed ready. Then you gotta let your legs sit for a couple hours, man. When you come through Vegas, for real.
Vegas pretty decent, for real, for real.
I'm
Man, we could have did more, but
for our first time here and not
for our
knowing what
first
to
time
do.
here, it was straight.